Hi and welcome to another video on mbrTech YouTube channel. For today's video we will do an unboxing and first look of Viltrox EF NEX 4 autofocus adapter who allows using Canon EF mount lenses on Sony E mount camera body. The box is compact and I really like these red accents on this white color. It is made of some hard and thick cardboard to prevent any damage of things inside it. I can't find any important info about the adapter on the box, so we can start with the unboxing. The unboxing experience is kinda interesting and everything looks very well packed. Right from the opening we can see some papers. There are warranty card and user manual in English and Chinese. Below these papers there is an adapter in this protective bag that prevents dust to get on the adapter. And the last thing in the box is this small paper, and it presents a certificate so you can be sure that you have bought the original Viltrox product. The inside of the box is very well protected with this foam. Great job done from Viltrox. That's it for the unboxing. Let's remove the adapter from a protective bag to take a first look at it. Okay, my first impression is about build quality. It feels kinda heavy in the hands, but it gives me the feel of the quality build. It is made of metal and plastic and I can say it feels really durable and well made. The front and back adapter covers are also included, which is a great thing to prevent dust to get in. After taking off these covers, there is one bag with silica gel to prevent humidity. The humidity can be a huge problem for devices like this, and it is great they care about it. As you can see, there is no glass inside of the adapter because the communication is working through these gold-plated electronic contacts. On the bottom of the adapter there is a removable tripod mount for safer and easier mounting of longer and heavier lenses on tripods and other accessories. On the side of the adapter there is a micro USB port for updating firmware. I will make a video about it and how easy it is to update it. There is also a small switch to change your focus mode. It gives you the option to choose between contrast detection or phase detection autofocus. On the other side there is a lever to release your Canon lenses. And that is all. Now I will try to mount the Canon lens on this adapter and to finish my video. Viltrox made a really good and quality product. The autofocus adapter for this price is insane. If you want to see the full test of this adapter and my review, give me a like and write it in the comment section. Thanks for watching.